3, 2, 1, go!
Hi everyone! Pwede ko post sa music. So it's been a while since my last video showing how I value myself, no? So, medyo dugay-dugay to, right? So, metong hair little besh. So, freshly from the Kwani sa ako activity earlier ngayon to. And so, today is, I'm gonna show you how I unbox a typical gift for myself since sa birthday na ako naulay siya pag-abot. So, 1 month siya mga besh sa abot kay made abroad. Oh, charot. Bitaw, gikan siya somewhere far away from the Philippines. So, thank you for allowing me to give myself a break. Ano ko ikuan? I just nga, Junakin, so say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to my vlog.
Hi, Ninong.
Okay, so medyo paos yung voice natin mga besh. But, kahit na, I'm gonna show you something that you might wanna know what is it. Bitaw, I'm having a gift for myself just because I'm doing great with my weight. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you a gift. Shadday! So it's a Michael Kors MK.
Wow!
Unboxing tayo. So, the box is made of carton siya, syempre. Okay, may nakasabi dito na collateral material. Tapos may code siya, barcode. So, let's open it. Another! Once more. And you could see, okay, that is a Michael Kors. Okay, mabigat siya in fairness. Very mabigat. As in, so hard ng box niya. Let's open it. Pa-upward yung pagkaka-open. Okay. So, wala naka-write kasi gift ko nga to sa self ko. So, thank you, self. Medyo na-gift na ko. It's okay. And, ito na po siya. Meron pong nakalagay dito na letter. I mean, book. Okay. So, ito po siya. Michael Kors. Michael Kors. And, nakalabel po dito in different languages. Yung instruction on how to deal with the warranty and the materials or the features of this typical watch. Yan. So, watch po yung hilig ko. So, whoever wanted to give me something, just give me a watch and I could be so happy about it. Yan! So, ito na po siya. Tinanggalan ko na po nga pala siya. I mean, hindi tinanggalan. Tinanggal ko nga talaga yung mga ano na niya kanina. Kasi sobrang excited ko na dumating sa akin tong watch na ito. So, phonable po ang watch na ito, mga kaegan. So, I'm happy to share this to you kasi I could buy for my own happiness na po. Bitaw. So, to hard po yung base ng holder, anong tawag dito. Tapos, soft po siya sa gitna. Pero dito, so hard. So, mga more than 3 inches po yung height nitong lalagyan. At ito na po ang product. Hindi ko focus akong camera besh. So, ito po yung isa. Chapwera ko muna. I want some like this na mga relo. A gift for my own. I'm starting to like